Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I realize it's dark outside. I am filming this video Thursday night. I felt like filming on Thursday is much easier than me trying to wake up really early and film the looks and then, you know. So I filmed them Thursday nights now, and then I just redo the look in the morning. It's not that hard. But filming and trying to redo a look is hard when I have a cat who likes to monopolize most of my time. And I noticed some people commented and said that they like me coming with no foundation on, but I don't like this. But, you know, for y'all, I'm gonna do it. So you get to see the foundation again. But I just did this, obviously. I'm going to be doing another face chart because it is for Face Chart Fridays, even though it's Thursday night. Shh, don't tell anybody. This face chart was picked by my students. Well, one of my students. She's 6 years old. Her name is Helen. She's really cute. She picked this one. So, she picked it. And then my best friend Anna confirmed, like agreed with her. So, you know. Clearly a 27-year-old and a 6-year-old have the same taste. That's cool. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. It's very fun and bright, and it has freckles, but I'm gonna do the freckles for the video, but when I redo the look for work, I don't think I'm gonna be doing or I might not do the freckles, because I'm not good at fall freckles yet, so let me not embarrass myself. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get started.
Yo, I've been writing songs since the first grade. Been running from the truth since my first fade. To get big cars, to make big stars, it takes big scars. Better get a first aid. Dumb songs are the first played. No heart, but they charting on the first day. How you stay brave when they throwing you the worst shade? Ones with the talent are the worst paid. Anyway, if I had blue button eyes and blonde hair, would I make the magazine on the best page? Be the leading man if I was less gay. If I was a woman, would you try to give me less pay? I could sing for you, but you prefer rap. Ask God why he made me out of burlap. Porcelain glass, there's a hall pass where I'm from. And I don't know about you, but I think that's gone. I think that's done. We the backbone of the green city. Never been a model, but I seen plenty. Young men and women trying to fit in, trying to get thin. But skinny don't mean pretty. Rainbow, bright colors in the air though. Color on the air, but it's rare though. The proof is right there though. It's not fair though, but they swear no. What does he know? He just a scarecrow. Tell me something, why we counting blessings if they don't count? Yeah, the show is sold out, but they sold out. And I would rather walk in my shoes till the soul's out. Yellow brick road, less travel, that's the old route. My money built a man a green glass palace. Tweedledummy, what they call it if you ask Alice. Why slum under his green thumb, waiting for crumbs? Cause I don't know about you, but I think that's dumb. I think that's dumb. Don't find me, I got my own lane forming. Don't mind me, I'm just brainstorming. Do you suppose we could sell our shows and our clothes and no big booty crows in our videos? Will the man ever stand for the people? Will we demand that our love should be legal? Will the land ever treat the Greens equal? Or will the fight that they lost become a sequel? Cause I'll marshal it done to the beat of my own drum. Cause there's a fight to be won. Stand on this post till I'm numb. At least I'm standing for something that we can overcome. Cause I don't know about you, but I think that's dumb. Yo, I've been writing songs since the first grade. Been running from the truth since my first fade. To get big cars, to make big stars, it takes big scars. Better get a first aid. Dumb songs are the first played. No heart, but they charting on the first day. How you stay brave when they throwing you the worst shade? Ones with the talent are the worst paid. Anyway, if I had blue button eyes and blonde hair, would I magazine on the best page. Be the leading man if I was less gay. If I was a woman, would you try to give me less pay? I could sing for you, but you prefer rap. Ask God why he made me out of burlap. Porcelain glass, there's a hall pass where I'm from. And I don't know about you, but I think that's dumb. I think that's dumb. We the backbone of the green city. Never been a model, but I seen plenty. Young men and women trying to fit in, trying to get thin. But skinny don't mean pretty. Rainbow, bright colors in the air though. Color on the air, but it's rare though. The proof is right there though. It's not fair though, but they swear no. What does he know? He just a scarecrow. Tell me something, why we counting blessings if they don't count? Yeah, the show is sold out, but they sold out. And I would rather walk in my shoes till the soul's out. Yellow brick road, less travel, that's the old route. My money built a man a green glass palace. Tweedle dummy, what they call it if you ask Alice. Why slum under his green thumb, waiting for crumbs? Cause I don't know about you, but I think that's dumb. I think that's dumb. Don't find me, I got my own lane forming. Don't mind me, I'm just brainstorming. Do you suppose we could sell our shows and our clothes and no big booty crows in our videos? Will the man ever stand for the people? Will we demand that our love should be legal? Will the land ever treat the Greens equal? Or will the fight that they lost become a sequel? Cause our martial is done to the beat of my own drum. Cause there's a fight to be won. Stand on this pole till I'm numb. At least I'm standing for something that we can overcome. Cause I don't know about you, but I think that's dumb. Yo, I've been writing songs since the first grade. Been running from the truth since my first fade. To get big cars, to make big stars, it takes big scars. Better get a first aid. Dumb songs are the first played. No heart, but they charting on the first day. How you stay brave when they throwing you the worst shade? Ones with the talent are the worst paid. Anyway, if I had blue button eyes and blonde hair, would I make the magazine on the best page? Be the leading man if I was less gay. If I was a woman, would you try to give me less pay? I could sing for you, but you prefer rap. Ask God why he made me out of burlap. Porcelain glass, there's a hall pass where I'm from. And I don't know about you, but I think that's dumb. I think that's dumb. We the backbone of the green city. Never been a model, but I seen plenty. Young men and women trying to fit in, trying to get thin. But skinny don't mean pretty. Rainbow, bright colors in the air though. Color on the air, but it's rare though. The proof is right there though. It's not fair though, but they swear no. What does he know? He just a scarecrow. Tell me something, why we counting blessings if they don't count? Yeah, the show is sold out, but they sold out. And I would rather walk in my shoes till the soul's out. Yellow brick road, less travel, that's the old route. My money built a man a green.
And this is the finished look. I do realize that I did not do the freckles. I thought about it, and then I decided not to even try it, because if I would have messed up everything else, I'd have been really angry. So I just did the eye look, and of course I added my little own twist to it because I'm obsessed with these eyebrow accents. Why? I don't know. I prefer them over eyebrow highlights these days. Yeah, I use lipstick as a liner. I actually like this. It's so pretty, in my opinion. I think it's really, really pretty. And I didn't have a lipstick that was the same exact color as in the face chart, so I have one that's close enough. This is Candy Paint from ColourPop, one of their lipsticks. I like it. And usually when I do Face Chart Fridays, like my hair is all done and everything, but because I'm filming this at night and I'm literally gonna go to sleep after I film this and wash my face, like after this is done, I'm editing and I wash my face, I'm going to bed. So this is how I go to sleep. Well, minus this being in a bun on top of my head, but this is how I go to sleep. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you have any suggestions, comments, you want to see me do something, you make face charts, you want to see me recreate it, you did a look you want to see me recreate, you know what to do. Leave it in the bottom. By the way, I know like in the video I used 2 of the purple brushes. I don't know the name of that company. I bought those brushes from the same place. I got the mermaid tail brushes, but I bought those purple brushes like 2 years ago and I just started using them, and there's no name. So I don't, like, all I know is that I got them from AliExpress. I don't know the company. They don't even have them on there anymore because I bought them 2 years ago and I just started using them. So I'm really sorry for that. And I did use one Morphe brush. It was the Morphe B14, the B14 brush. That was what I used to add the yellow. And the concealer that I used to make the yellow pop more was Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair, which is actually my friend's concealer that she left at my house because she said she didn't like the shade. So I kept it, and I use it when I want colors to pop on my lids. I mix and match that with another Korean concealer. So yeah, that's it for this look. I like it. I'm going to take this off. I'm not going to take any pictures because I'm going to recreate it in the morning when I have sunlight, because I use sunlight to take my pictures. So when I have the sunlight, that's when I'm going to take the pics. So on Instagram, when you see the uploads, those will be the pictures I took during the day on Friday. This is being filmed Thursday night. I'm not taking any pictures. So the look that I post tomorrow might look better than this video. So who knows? Anyway, that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.